wave here again. It's cold out here in Ohio, so warming up the engine. I tell you what, that master heater, put diesel in it, that thing works great. Like probably the best money I spent on something really good. So, yeah, heat that engine up a little bit. Over summer I didn't put a plug in it or something like that to plug it in to heat the engine, so try this. Gotta do my drive, so yeah, get that sucker going. Little top I made to go over the exhaust. Take that off. And that's about it. Cold outside. They said, oh, we're gonna have this big monster storm. Never happened, but a good few inches came down, so I have to warm the machine up for a while, get them hydraulics warmed up, be busting some hoses. All right, I'm gonna try to crank this thing up.